Hello everyone, this is Mazen Al-Zahrani, and today I'm going to explain some of the features in our report. So in this video, I'm going to show how to do some analytics with the charts and dashboards feature in our report. First, from the main page, we go scroll down and we click on Analytics, Charts and Maps. After that, we can import our own data from here, but in our case, we have already uploaded the data by the name of happiness in 2019. In this data, as we can see here, we can click on data over here. In this data, we can see the top 30 countries in terms of happiness, the score of happiness of each country, and the GDP per capita, and the social support and healthy life expectancy, and the freedom to make life choices, and generosity, and perception of corruption. And we can see the countries listed here, the top 30 countries. Okay, so first of all, if we want to analyze the data by generating the graphs, we can click on here, show report graphs. As we can see in this page, we can select the x-axis and the y-axis and the aggregation function. Also, we have multi types of charts. Let's first choose or select the x-axis. We can select over here the country, for example, and the other x-axis is the overall rank. And for the y-axis, we can select the score of the country, and for the aggregation function, we can select sum. So let's first show the line chart. Yeah. As you can see, this is the pie chart. Each country shown over here. We can see Finland in the first place with 7.769, and we can see the other countries and its rank and score. Also, we can change the chart type from pie, for example, to bar chart, as you can see, and we can also show the drill down for it, as you can see from here, for each country. And also we can use the Google Charts over here. In Google Charts, it allows us to have more options and more charts, which will help us analyze the data. Let's choose the same axis to show for example, everything. Let's choose for here for overall rank and the country, region, and here the score. And we can click on, for example, the pie chart again to see the Google one, as you can see over here. Also, we can change it, for example, to area chart, as you can see over here. And Finland has the best score, which is 7.769, and we have Saudi Arabia with the score 6.375, Taiwan, and etc. So we have multi choices over here. Let's show, for example, another example, the stepped area chart, as you can see here. Also, we can show the multi y-axis, like we can select more than one factor. Let's, for example, keep the x-axis as it is, and we can change the y-axis to select more than a factor. Let's, for example, select the GDP per capita and the social support, and let's keep the aggregation function as it is. And we can click on show chart. We can see over here the GDP per capita and the social support for the top 30 countries. The blue color represent the GDP, and the red color represent the social support. And once we hover the mouse over the chart, we can see the numbers of the chart. That would help us for sure to analyze the data. Also, let's, for example, show another example or another type of chart, the line chart, as you can see over here. And we have a lot of choices over here. And let's, for example, click to add some more factors to have a better look of the data and to have better understanding. So here we draw multiple lines, and each line represents a factor. The green line represents the freedom to make choice, and the yellow one represent the healthy life expectancy, and the blue will represent the GDP, and the red will represent the social support. So next we are going to draw multiple lines for to have also a better understanding and to have another example. Let's, for example, choose the country for the x-axis. And for the y-axis, we can select score, for example, if you want to compare the top 5 countries by the score, we can select score. And then we have the choice of doing multi-lines by field. We can choose, for example, over here the score, and we can select, oh sorry, the rank, the overall rank, and we select the top 5 countries to see the scores of the top 5 countries. As you can see over here, we can see the top 5 countries. The red represent Denmark, and the blue Finland, and the green Iceland, purple Netherlands, and yellow represent Norway. This is the top. These are the top 5 countries in terms of score and happiness. So what if we want to compare countries with each other? We can basically like if we wanted to compare them by their GDP per capita, for example, we can change the y-axis, and we can change the multi-line field to countries, and we can choose the countries. We can choose, like, for example, let's choose the Australia and Canada and Costa Rica and Finland and France, for example, and Germany, for example, to compare them in their GDP per capita. We can see over here the comparison. We can see the countries and each number of them. We can see the score of the GDP. Like for here, for example, Germany has 1.37, and France has 1.32, and we can see the other countries. Also, we have the choice to change the chart type. Let's, for example, choose the stepped area chart. We can see the another type of chart over here. Also, let's try to select, for example, an area chart. We can see it over here. And let's select, for example, sorry, it wouldn't work in pie chart because it doesn't have lines. We can do a scatter chart, for example, to see the score of each country. Once you hover the mouse over the dot, you can see the numbers. Okay, so what if we want to add the charts to our own dashboard? If we want to go back to it and see it and to have more analysis of it. So basically, let's have our first example. We can click on country, region, overall rank for the x-axis. Oh, give me a second, sorry, for the x-axis. And for the y-axis, we can click on everything. We can add score, social support, health, life expectancy, freedom to make choice, and generosity, and perception of corruption over here. Give me a second, sorry. Yeah, over here. We can now show the chart. You can see the multi-lines of every factor along with the score of happiness of each of the countries shown here. Also, we can change the type of chart to have like other choices. Let's pick line chart, as we can see over here. And as I said and mentioned, if we want to add our chart to a dashboard, we can basically, let's choose the chart and we can basically click on add to dashboard. We can look for our dashboard from here. We can look for happiness and we can click find. If it's in the dashboard list, it will show the dashboard, and if it's not, it will create one. So in our case, we have already created the happiness dashboard. We can click on it and we can add the chart over here. As you can see, this is the list of dashboards that we have, and this is our dashboard happiness. But what if we want to reach or want to go to list of dashboard from the main page from here, from list of report, we can click on list of user dashboard over here, and then we can click on our dashboard, which is happiness. We can see over here all the charts that we generated. I have added them previously before the recording, and this will help us to go back and see the charts that we have created. It will save some time and effort. So this is the chart that we have added in this video. We can see it over here, and we can click on maximize to open the chart again, and we can see it over here. And I believe that's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and see you for the next videos.